Yes, I am going to talk about how to get profitable really fast. Hello everyone, my name is Kert. If you still don't know me, I am a trader from Estonia who has 15 years of experience, institutional background. I have generated EAs, a lot of profitable trading systems. I have helped a lot of people to become profitable and full-time trader, and now I'm going to give you some of my best advice how to become profitable fast. I'm quite sure that's not the information what you expect to hear, but that's the thing. This is exactly what keeps you unprofitable, because all of that out there is just to make you unprofitable. I am quite sure that you don't expect to hear that information. So stick around and let me explain everything. Now it's really important. What separates average loser traders from profitable traders? It's actually aiming for less. Yes, that's right. You need to lower not your expectations, but your targets. So right now, probably you want to pass your prop firm challenges and flip your accounts. You may do this once, twice, maybe 3 times, but it's not sustainable over time. So there is the problem. You need something what generates you even a little bit, but consistently, time over time, day by day profit. And that's all you need. If you find your consistent point, then from there you can start growing. If you need example, then here is my this year 2026 results. I know it's only 2 weeks. I can't do anything about it. I just started with it. But maybe if you're interested, here is some backtest results. So I backtested basically full 2025. Yeah, I didn't only backtest December because from that time I started to trade with it live, so forward tested. So I know the results. It has generated 0.1% every single day, and yeah, it has proved, within the last 2 weeks, and I'm quite sure it will continue to do that in the future as well. By the way, this is the system what I teach to my students. I trade online, real time with them. You can join my sessions. You can have weekly analysis where I show everything, what happened, how I trade, what I need to expect, and so on. So basically, I just teach you everything I know about this system. But now let's get back to the video. So here's the thing. It's only 0.1% because it's 100k prop firm account, and it's $100 per day, which equals 0.1%. Like, I know it's not sounds so sexy, but hear me out. Let's put it to the numbers. So let's get here really mathematical approach. Let's say you have a system, not even a system, but let's say just some session over breakout. So it's 50-50. You're either going to win or lose. You need 2 stages, phase 1 and phase 2. So it's 25% that you're going to win or lose. Of course, it's actually more than 25% if you, line it up with the trend or get better entries and so on. But just for testing, pure mathematical purpose, let's say you have 25% chance to pass prop firm challenge. Now, on average, one 100k challenge costs around $500, which means that out of 4 challenges you will pass 1. So you need to buy, on average, maybe you will pass the first one already, but on average you need to buy 4 challenges in order to pass 1, which equals 2k. So within 1 month, first month already, you will make your money back. Now here's the catch. Now it depends on you. Do you want to do it really fast way, slowly? Is your goal to, maybe you have only, let's say 3-4 month window when you want to have as much stacked up as possible, or you want already over time build nice stack while you're already maybe using that money for whatever you want. Let's choose here some middle ground. So let's say first month you make 2k. Also, you have one account which was passed. Now you have one account ready for refund or new challenge, which means now you need only 3 accounts on average, which cost you 1.5k. So you are already plus $500. My advice, take that money, just go spend it, go dinner with your family, boyfriend, girlfriend, friends, whatever, go spend it. It's yours, you deserve it. Now you have one account locked, which generates you 2k per month. You can use exactly the same systems. You have 4 accounts. You purchase 3 more accounts, now you have 4 accounts. You will pass one of them at least. So it will make you 200k fund accounts. Now when you use copy trading, which means that you will enter buy and one account copies another one, so you will have basically double accounts in one basically buy or sell button. You will have like double buy or sell. You will have not only $100, but now you will generate $200 per day. This is already 4k per month. Now when 2k per month is, maybe some of you, it depends very little, but maybe some of you it is full-time income. But maybe it's just, you know, something extra. But I'm quite sure that 4k could already change your life. You probably could already quit your job. You could probably live off of this 4k, especially that you don't need to go to work. You have like all the time in the world, because this system, exactly what I use, it takes you only about a few minutes a day and that's it. You don't need to leave your home, you don't need to go somewhere, you have full day off. You just need your only one window to trade, that's it. Now, your next month income will be around 4k. Like, here's the twist. Now it starts growing exponentially, if you would like to. Because now, for example, FTMO allows you to have 400k capital per one system. Now you have 200k worth of prop firms, which means you can have 2 more. So what you will do, you will use now not this 2k, but now 4k to purchase 8 more accounts. Of course, maybe you only need, I don't know, 3 tries to have like 2 times passive, but let's stay mathematically really behind. Let's say that you're terrible, you need 4 times to try to pass account. Probably you will have less tries, but let's just say you need 4 accounts. So you will use that second month income. By the way, you still have 1 passed account, so it's, you know, minus 500. So you don't need 4k, but 3.5, and you will still have $500 profit for the month. So you will buy then 7 new accounts, because when you have 8 accounts, and out of those 8 challenges, you will pass 2 of them. Here comes this real edge into the play. First, you have 400k worth of prop firms. Of course, you can copy trade them. You will only enter 1 buy and 1 sell and 1 close. That's it. Everything is copied by themselves. You can Google if you don't know what's copy trading, but it's really easy. You just set it up and you will take care of 1 account, and your other accounts will be copied automatically. Now, pure mathematically, you will make 4 times $100 per day, which equals 8k. But the twist is here. When you trade it every single day, you will improve. I already see that I have it backtested a lot. I have traded with it, and I actually have 2 weeks of, let's say, official live trading data. But out of those 2 weeks, I already see improved versions to make not 100, but maybe 200 per day. So that's the case. When you stick to something and you will improve and backtest and journal, you will actually improve a lot and you will get new knowledge. So probably by this time, you don't make only 0.1% per day. You will start making, let's say, 0.15% per day. So you will not only make 8k per month, but now you start making 12k per month, because you have stacked up your prop firm accounts, you have improved your system. So you are now making, instead of 0.1, but 0.15%. And it will probably take you, I would say, 3 months to get there. From nothing to 10k consistently per month, or like 5 figures per month consistently, few months, that's it. Now let's get to the twists. So you're probably thinking, if it's really that easy, why not everyone doing that? It's actually a really easy answer. Most of the people are so stupid, and those same dumb persons will teach you, and you have learned from them. And now you start chasing those 5-hour trades and, like, I don't know, some BS. You want to predict the exact top and bottom and daily buys and everything. No, you don't need it. I promise you don't need that. You need just really like easy, mathematical, reliable system, and 0.1% per day is nothing. It's like so easy to make, I promise you. And now you will ask, but how can I learn something like this? Well, here's the thing. I think if you really dive deeply into this, you can figure it out how to make only 0.1% per day. It's not that hard. Like, if you lower your expectations, I promise you, you will start seeing a lot more potential and best trades. But if you feel like you need maybe some extra help, then I'm actually doing 2 live streams per day right now. So if you're seeing this video, it's right now January 2026. I will probably do this for a few more months. I don't think I will live stream forever, every single day. If you really want, I have really cheap 3-month package. So if you want this dedication, then everything is right there for you. Like I said, I've been trading for 15 years, so from my side, I don't really care about your subscription money, but I think this can help you really out. So, but it's your decision, because I record those live sessions and I upload them on YouTube. So under this channel, you will see US 30 recorded sessions. Maybe you can learn from them, but my honest suggestion for you is that if you really want to get some serious results, then you need some sort of dedication. And maybe this is time for it, because it's January 2026. I am quite sure 2026, you said this is going to be new year and new me and everything. But probably you said that 2025 as well. You said that 2024 and 2023 and so on. And now here we are, you want something new, but you are not willing to dedicate. So that may be the problem. Everything you need is under this video. Link for that is under that video. If you are so much trader, SMT trader, and you want to talk about trading terms, then here is your risk reward. You will risk few $100. What's your potential reward? Generational wealth. Because that's what I just said to you, it's just the beginning. It is just something what help you generate income, so you can quit your job eventually and you will have really nice income. Because listen up, here I just talk about how to make 12k per month, but why not to go from 1 million funded, so you would make maybe 30k per month? Why not to improve the system to make 0.2% per month, so you will make 40k per month? Why stop there? Maybe you can duplicate the system and not only make 40k, but you will have London session and New York session. Because right now, listen up, if you don't need to go to work, you have your whole day to improve your trading. So now maybe instead of 40k, you will make 80k. And now you can fund your own account. With this 50k, you can make not 0.1 but 1%, because like actually 100k prop firm account equals 10k personal money. So personal money account is always better. So now you will have chance to grow and stack it up and get to the 6 figures monthly. From there, why not to go further and further? So this was just only, from level 0 to level 1, what I just showed you. If you reach that level 1, from there everything will become so easy and so fun, because from there you can only stack it up, you will improve a lot, because now you have money. So for example, if you want to test out some new software, some some AI news calendar or something, you will have money. You can hire people to do something for you. You will have like a lot more opportunities. You need to get to this like level 1, and from there you can grow exponentially. So here it is. Everything you need is literally down under. It's now your decision if you stay at the same level where you have always been, or once in your life you take this chance and you really try it out. Like I said, risk reward. Losing a few $100, reward, generational wealth. Decision is yours. See you.